पणजी महापालिकेच्या वेंचणुकेन भाजप समर्थन बाबूश पॅनलान बाजी मारली। बाबूश पॅनलाची 27 सिटां निवडून आयली जाल्यार आमी पणजेकार पॅनलाची 3 सिटां निवडून आयल्यात। RDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
फर्स्टली हांव म्हणू शकता की देवा खातीर देवान अशें म्हाज्या फाटल्यान रावलो असो दिसलो। म्हाज्या आवय बापायचें म्हाका खूब हें जालें। पार्टी म्हाज्या सोबत आसलेली, म्हाजे कार्यकर्ते म्हाज्या सोबत आसलेले, बाबूश सर म्हाज्या सोबत आसलेले एंड आमचो एक्स कॉर्पोरेटर निलेश मळस्कर यांच्यानी खूब हातभार केलो, जेच्या खातीर आयज हांव खूब जैतिवंत जिखून येयला विथ 91 वोट्स।
हांव जे वॉटेवर जो मॅन्डेट दिला आमच्या वॉर्ड नंबर 6च्या लोकांनी तो एक्सेप्ट करता। तांकां दिसला आसतलें की म्हजो जो ओपोनंट कॅन्डिडेट आसा तो तांकां चड बरो सर्व करतलो अशें दिसलें आसतलें। आय एक्सेप्ट द मॅन्डेट आनी आय कॉंग्रेच्युलेट माय ओपोनंट।
ती लिमिटेशनूय आमकां सामकें लेट कळ्ळें। रोल सुद्दां जे दिल्ले ते सारके रिडेबल नाशिल्ले। सो ह्या परिस्थितीन काम करप आनी कॅन्डिडेटांनी आपले गट्स दाखोवन उबे रावप हो सगळ्यात मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट विशय आशिल्लो। तांच्यांनी जी
एकूय कडेन अनऑपोज असो वॉर्ड दिवना, सो प्रत्येक कडेन फायट आशिल्ली।
And all our candidates have gone down by around 60-30. Jane has gone down in Ward 3 by 49 votes. So Sudhina has lost, who had just come 20 days ago. Yeah, so he has also gone by around just 60 votes.
कमी झाले म्हणजे मे बी आम्ही जिखपाचे जिखले सीट. वी हॅड वर्क फॉर द पीपल. कमी जावपाक कारण मे बी हांव मातसो खंय कमी पडलो आसत. बट as far as आमचे support to the people was there, it was always there with us.
So again, I would like to thank everybody for the support they have placed in our council, and we intend to do a lot of good. And yeah, just thank you.
I was very confident. I was very confident of a very positive result. On 11th March, many of you all, my friends from the media, came and asked me for a bite, and I said no, I will not talk. I did not talk at all during the campaign, but I said on the 13th of March, I will speak. Let my work do the talking, and I'm here before you all.
फर्स्ट टाइम बसला आणि अशा मार्जिनान विन करप इज अ व्हेरी बिग थिंग. एक्सपेक्टेड आशिल्लें ना नो, बट टेन्शन आसताच आणि इट्स अ बिग ड्रीम कम ट्रू.
यंगेस्ट कॅन्डिडेट म्हणून लोक खूप केअर करताले.
हय हय, यंगेस्ट.
वॉर्ड नंबर 1.
वॉर्ड 1.
The people of our ward have decided that I should not be elected. Thank you very much.
एकूच पार्टी रिकाउंटिंग झाल्या, पण एकदम स्लो गेलेले. मार्जिन पहिली 3 असली माझ्या फेवरान, आता 2 झाली and I have won by 2 votes. So it has been an incredible community effort. हांव फेस आसत, पण actually this is a victory for the community.
आम्ही सगळ्यांनी, आमच्या सगळ्या कॅन्डिडेटांनी सारखे बरे काम केले. बरे प्रत्येकाक आमचे जे डेव्हलपमेंटाचे काम असले आम्ही त्या लोकां फुड्यान घेऊन गेले. ओपोजिशनाने कांयच तुमकां सांगपार काय नसले. एक त्यांच्यानी एक नेगेटिव्ह प्रचार केलो आणि त्यांकाच तो माल पडलो.
ही सेमीफायनल म्हणून आसलो, म्हाका ही फायनल आसली. आय क्लियरली टोल्ड माय पीपल, बाबा दिस इज द फायनल. दिस विल बेसिकली सेट द नरेटिव्ह फॉर आवर फायनल. बट दिस इज द फायनल ओनली. Finally, basically, see, these people all try to come together basically to show as one force. So that means first of all, I felt it good that they all came together. So I know who was the enemy. Enemy was not a party. The enemy most was Babush. Because if you see in the panels also, I was been just looking. As far as the opposition is panel, they are only talking about me and my family. Nothing to do with Kanjima, nothing to do with Taliban. Arey Baba, boy, see, it is the wrong thing that people try to say. Family Raj. Arey Baba, we have not been nominated. We have been elected. We go to the people. We go to the people, and then people elect.